How to increase network receive on Roblox. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and in the search bar search for Roblox. Once you search for it, simply tap on open file location. Now from here, right click on Roblox player and then simply tap on open file location. From here, you'll find Roblox player beta. Right click onto it and then tap on properties. Inside here, tap on digital signatures. Now simply tap on digital signature and then tap on details. Inside here, go ahead and tap on view certificate and simply tap on install certificate. Select it to automatically and then tap next again and then tap on finish. And just like so, the import was successful. And that is simply how you can increase network receive on Roblox. That ends the video guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.